Let's talk trash. We all make it, and it's a part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly generating waste. But are we doing enough about it? Are we taking the necessary steps to manage and reduce our waste effectively? From banana peels to plastic bottles, our garbage is piling up, and it's becoming a huge problem. Every piece of trash we throw away has to go somewhere, and often it ends up in places it shouldn't be. Landfills are overflowing, our oceans are choked with plastic, and harmful greenhouse gases are being released into the atmosphere. This not only affects marine life but also contributes to climate change. It's not just about the unsightly mess. The impact of waste is far-reaching and affects every aspect of our lives. Waste impacts our environment and our health. Polluted rivers and parks are just the tip of the iceberg. The toxins from waste can seep into our water supply and soil, affecting the food we eat and the air we breathe. We need to find smarter ways to manage our trash, and that's where technology comes in. Innovative solutions like advanced recycling techniques and waste-to-energy plants can make a significant difference. We need to rethink how we deal with waste. Composting organic waste and improving recycling facilities are steps in the right direction. It's time to get serious about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Simple actions like using reusable bags and participating in community cleanups can have a big impact. And guess what? AI is here to help. With the advent of AI technology, we can sort waste more efficiently and even predict waste generation patterns to better manage our resources.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like having a super smart helper for our waste management. It's revolutionizing the way we handle our trash, making the process more efficient and accurate. Imagine a computer program that can identify different types of waste, just like a recycling expert. This technology can quickly and accurately sort through various materials, saving time and reducing human error. That's what AI can do. It can process large amounts of waste at a speed and precision that humans simply can't match. AI uses special cameras and sensors to see and understand what kind of waste is being thrown away. These sensors can detect the material composition, size, and even the shape of the items. It can tell the difference between a plastic bottle and a glass jar, even if they're all mixed up. This ensures that each type of material is sorted correctly and sent to the appropriate recycling facility. This smart technology can help us sort our recyclables more effectively, ensure